going to show you how to make your Padlet for your project. The first thing you need to do is copy the QR code for the chosen ecosystem that your group has picked out, and it'll take you to a website. Once you get to that website, go ahead and name your Padlet or edit the name if it's not what you want to see, and then work with your group. First, you need to pick a picture out to paste onto the page. I already went through and I already found my picture of a coral reef. So once you find your picture via Google search in images, you're going to save it to your camera roll on your iPad. My screen's going to look a little different since I'm on the computer, but it's the same concept. You're going to find the plus button on your iPad, on your Padlet screen. You're going to click it, and it's going to bring a box here. And that's what you're going to do every time you want to add anything to your Padlet. Once you get here, it gives you the option to choose different things. I'm going to go ahead and click the camera, and it's giving you the option to go to a web address, or you can choose a file. You're going to want to choose a file. Once you choose the file, you're going to go to your camera roll. Mine is in a different place since I'm not on the iPad. This is where I chose to save my picture. And I'm going to choose my picture that I saved my camera roll. Click open, and here it is, it's loading. And then once you get it loaded, you can make it bigger or smaller. You can add text to it. But really, I just want to see your picture of your healthy ecosystem. And in this case, mine is a coral reef. Yours may be something different since every group is doing a different ecosystem. This is taking a little longer than I planned. Well, while that's loading, I'll just explain that once the picture's up there, you have your picture. And then from there, each person from the group should be able to access the same Padlet. And each person, after you've chosen your job, is going to add to the picture with a description of what this ecosystem needs and what it should have. And when you're done, it's going to look a little something like this. So this is what you're going to have when you finish. You're going to have a description of a healthy ecosystem, and here you can see I added the text. And then these students who I made up, they added their views. As so Jimmy was a botanist, so he told me what the plants needed and the impact they had and what their job is in the ecosystem. The animal behaviorist, Alyssa, told me what animals you might find and what the ecosystem needs. And Jake told me how water runs through and what it does for this ecosystem. Now, you all will come together to be an environmental consultant to decide what impacts are affecting the ecosystem that humans have put on the ecosystem and how you can reverse it or fix it in some way. So that is the assignment, and unfortunately this is taking a while to load for some reason, but you can imagine by the end this is going to be your picture, so that's what I was loading. And then if you want to add something else, just go down to the plus and then click it when it's a pencil, and you will now have your new box and you can type something. So, and then you tell me what botanist has to say about your ecosystem. I hope this was helpful, and good luck on your project.